Hello, my name is Jonathan with Kiko Body Repair Products. I'd like to tell you something more about the K-beam today. Why would you use this tool? The K-beam is used on big dents. You can use this tool to pull on centipedes with different kind of adapters. These are the adapters that slide on. You tighten them, and then you can grab different kind of centipedes or big tabs that you glue on your car and you pull them up. You can pull them up manually, or you can use a drill and speed up your work, turning up and down. There are different adapters that you can use with it. We have the half size one, the smaller one, and adapters that grab small tabs to address smaller dents. We have an adapter that you can screw into bigger tabs or super tabs and use it with the same adapter on the bridge. An extra feature is the power pod as well. You can turn your K-beam into a big K-bar and use the foot on one end of the beam and start pulling with a lot of power, way more power than the K-bar is today. On the beam are the feet. Those feet are 360 degrees movable. You can use them on any part of the car, any panel, from doors to hoods to rocker panels, and pull out dents without damaging or making more dents. So if you want to know more about it, go to kikotabs.com, surf to the website and start using it.